On average, people spend about 500 to 1,000 hours a year on driving, and the traffic jam takes a big part of that. Everyone experienced sleepiness while driving in the traffic. It's very frustrating and could be dangerous. For a safer and more enjoyable driving time, we're introducing Monster Steer Grip, the simplest drowsiness prevention wheel grip in the world. Monster Steer Grip has protrusions that are designed biotechnically. Those optimal protrusion size and shape are made based on our research over 2 years. It is proven that Monster Steer Grip can prevent sleepy driving. The protrusions can massage your hands and keep your mind sharp and clear during long-time driving. At the same time, those protrusions will relieve your stress and pressure. It is so simple to install Monster Steer Grip on your wheel. Just push it towards your wheel and it's ready to use in less than 3 seconds. Monster Steer Grip has a smart design to provide great stability. It was made with 100% silicone. Even when your hands are sweating like this, Monster Grip can prevent slippery and make sure you have a safe driving experience. With the Monster Steer Grip, driving has never been this comfortable. Monster Steer Grip for a safer and more comfortable driving experience.